So what I'd advise founders to do first and foremost when wanting to make that first sales hire and make that jump to having a team supporting you on the sales front is what I talk about is using a 3P analysis of your business. So I'll briefly discuss what they are. So the first one, the first P, is proposition. The second one is people. And the third one is process. First and foremost, most people from a sales scenario start with process because that's what we're taught when we're young salespeople. Follow the sales process, get it right, do the follow up. And in startups, that's really a recipe for disaster.
Yeah.
You've got to start with the proposition, i.e., who are you targeting? Who's your account profile? Who's your buyer persona? It's really, really important you build that base of the pyramid for your company's growth. And then you arm the right people that you select, and we'll talk about that today, and then you amplify their impact on the marketplace with clever and smart processes. So it's that age-old thing of you've got the right people in the right seats, in the right roles, saying the right things, and obviously using technologies and processes to expand that to a scalability point and produce predictable revenue.